Today in this video I show you how to boost processor or CPU speed in Windows 10. For this I have three methods. The first method is to customize a power plan. For this you have to click on search bar. Now search control panel and click on open. Now you have to find view by category and click on category. Select large icons. Now click on power options and then you have to find preferred plans. And in this you have to select high performance. You can also change plan settings like turn off the display or put the computer to sleep by selecting the time limit you want. After changing these settings, you have to click on save changes. Now you can also go back and see if you have this hide additional plans by this arrow. In this, if you find ultimate performance, then select it to boost processor or CPU speed. Now let's talk about second method, that is optimize drives. Click on this window icon. Now go to this settings icon and click on it. Now you have to open system. Click on storage. Now scroll down and go to optimize drives. Click on it. Now select the drive you want to optimize. And then all you need to do is click on optimize. Now the third and last method is to change performance options. Open File Explorer. Click on this PC. Now you can see this blank area. Right click on it. Now you have to open properties and then click on this change settings. Now system properties will open like this, in which you have to click on advanced tab and then in performance you have to click on settings. Now in performance options you have to select adjust for best performance. After selecting you have to click on apply and then OK. By doing all these, your processor or CPU speed will boost in Windows 10. So this is how you can boost processor or CPU speed in Windows 10. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.